a wild ass nigga. Oh, wild ass nigga. You a wild ass nigga. Oh, wild ass nigga. It's 3 in the morning. You coming in with all that dirt. Cause you a wild ass nigga. Yeah, yeah. You a wild ass nigga. Yeah. Do you feel my pain when you come in late all wet from my crying pain? Do you wash off your bugs and they go down the drain? Cause you a wild ass nigga and your friends are the same. I'm losing my mind. Cause you got all the time in the jungle with them wild ass birds, doing shit to me that I do not deserve. And how does it feel? How does it feel? Cause you too wild for me. Yeah, you too wild for me. And I don't need a nigga from the jungle. Cause you wild for me, too wild. Hell yeah, you too wild for me. Hell yeah. And I don't need no nigga from the jungle. And I'm leaving you. And I'm leaving you tonight. And I'm leaving. I'm leaving you tonight. And I'm leaving. And I'm leaving. And I'm leaving you tonight. And I'm leaving. And I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I was infatuated with you. He said, fuck it, it's just me and you. He like, the girl, you the one. Out of these days, we got a +2. I mean, when she girl, she'll be just like you, you know, chubby cheeks and shit, just like your mama too. But that nigga had changed, yeah, that young nigga changed. I get pennies for fucking donations, so I caught up in these birds. Fucking nigga show no love, maybe once, maybe twice. But be damned if I give him thirst. Ashamed to say it, but I get a nigga thirst. I get that nigga thirst. Don't judge me, don't judge me. I know I ain't the first. Soon as the feelings start back to he married, she kill him with the bird. She a jungle-eyed nigga. Mama told me run from that nigga. I gave that bitch love. He ain't do the same. Got me switching lanes with the all black glasses. Got me heated and shit. Skipping all my classes. He gave me his heart a long time ago, asking where mine's at. He ain't have it. He used to give me blood, sweat, and tears. Now fuck it, I don't want it like magic. Asking myself, how the fuck did this shit happen? Pain everywhere, try to kill it with the Advil. Yeah, we love the fire, I thought that shit was mad real. Nah, I hate you, I hate you, I hate you. Yeah.